This year's NIMET forecast actively highlights the intricacies of rain patterns, temperature variation, and essential guidance for marine and aviation operators. Consequently, the rainy season is projected to sweep across the nation, lasting an impressive 110 to 290 days.
The onset of rain is predicted to be delayed over the northern and central states of Plateau, as well as parts of Kaduna, Niger, Benue, Nasarawa, Taraba, Adamawa, and Kwara. While early onset is expected over the southern states of Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Anambra, and sections of Oyo, Ogun, Ondo, Lagos, Edo, Enugu, Imo, and Ebonyi.